If people are doubting how far you can go far away so you can't hear them anymore. Lumayo ka! Dalin mo yung talent mo! Dalin mo yung talent mo! Baunin mo yan hanggang sa maging successful ka. Magpakalayo ka para hindi mo na sila marinig at iwan mo silang nakabukas ang bibig.
Yeah!